Hello and welcome to a tutorial about CDI curbs. First thing you'll want to do is go to our website, which is cdicurbs.com. Next, you'll want to use your email address as the email address, and you will have to put in your password. If you did not get a password from us, there's no worries. All you will need to do is click the Reset Your Password button. This sometimes takes a while to get the email sent to you, but in that email there will be a link to be able to reset your password. If there are any problems, please call me at 763-452-7986. Otherwise, get yourself signed in and we will be on our way. Once you start making quotes, your recent activity will show up on the screen. You're able to click right on that red quote number, be able to see the status of your orders, including shipping. For the beginning here, we're just going to click on the new quote button. Next thing you will do is put in your job tag. For today I'm putting in test. You can use a job tag of the contractor. Next you'll see a list of all of our products. Obviously our most common product is a curb adapter, but we do new construction products as well. ISO curbs, straight curbs, pitch curbs, metal building curbs. You can always certainly log on to our website and look and see if we have a product that your customer is asking for. If it's something that's not on the list, there's also a chance that we do make the custom product that you're asking for. Just shoot me an email or give me a call. For this example, we're going to start with just a curb adapter. And on it, you're going to see a quantity selector. And then you'll be able to change your RTU tag. Let's say they said it was unit 8 on the roof. You could just type that in here. Now for big jobs, there is an applied button. That might be something you don't see. First thing you'll want to do is type in the old model. Once you start typing, you'll see the list of available models that are saved in our system. We're just going to choose a YSD 150 today. And then next you will choose your new model. For this application we're going to do an upgrade. Let's do a YSD 210. Make sure to always click the model number in the list versus typing it in yourself. It does not work on our site. Next thing you'll do is click Save, and it'll bring you to your quote with a quote number at the top and the item in the middle of the page. In your item, you will see a couple icons on the left. First icon is to edit the item if you need to change your model number or quantity, or you can just go ahead and delete the whole item itself, start over from scratch. It's going to show CDI's curb adapter with your model numbers listed, and on the right it's going to show the two-dimensional drawings for the existing roof curb and your new unit. If you click on either one of those drawings, it will bring you to the actual 2D drawing of the curb footprint. And here your contractor can use this information to measure the roof just to ensure that they have the correct model footprint. And then also, as long as it's something that we've made before, there will be a three-dimensional drawing of the actual curb that we'll be making for you. In that 3D drawing, in the top left, that first drawing is the measurements for the top of the adapter. And in the middle, where it says existing curb layout, that is obviously the existing roof. You could just give this one page to the contractor to verify their measurements, and we want an approval signature on the top middle of this page to be given to us before the product is made. Below the item is going to explain our shipping charges. These are the charges with freight to you, the distributor. Our standard shipping price will be listed with the ship day that's available and other rush options for you and your customer. Next, you can see there are 5 buttons for you at the top of the screen. Add item is to add another item to the same quote. Add note is for any special requests. Place order is when you need to finalize the order once they have all the approval signatures and PO and shipping address cleared. And the last 2 buttons there are to print the quote and to email the quote. When you click on print quote, there will be a few options there. If you don't check any of those boxes, that will print the quote with the prices and the 2D and 3D drawings. Otherwise, you can check a box to hide the pricing. So once you click on the print PDF, it will have the quote pricing, or at least availability, on the screen, depending on which option you chose. And it will also have the old or existing 2D drawing in there. This existing has 2 pages. And the new 2D drawing. And below that, it will also have the 3D drawing for the adapter that we will sell you. Also, you can click email, and by clicking the email button, if you choose no options and just click send email, it's going to have the prices on it. Otherwise, you can click hide prices and hit send email. That will send it to you, and you can forward it to your customer. You could also choose to send drawings to an email below, but if it has to deal with hiding prices, I just recommend sending the email to yourself first. But if you had a colleague you wanted to send it to, certainly add somebody there. If you wanted somebody else to be shown all the information that you see about this order, you could also click Add CC. That would carbon copy anybody that you list there, all the information that you see. Just type in their email address and add them. So if we had a different type of item we'd like to choose, we're going to choose an item from one brand to another. So again, we click Add Item. We're going to choose a curb adapter again. And this time we're going to go ahead and tag it RTU8. And we're going to choose an old model for a Lennox existing roof, KGA 120. And we'll go to TSC. And if you just keep typing 1 or 2 letters or numbers, it will shorten the list for you so you can find your number. This time I'm choosing TSC 102A. And then we'll click Save. Now here, this is another adapter that we've made before. It already has a price associated with it and a 3D drawing also. Quotes like this you can send off with minimal contact with a salesman. You get all your answers right away, and you can go ahead and print that 3D drawing and show the contractor. Make sure they measure their existing roof and sign off on it, and you're ready to go. Here we'll choose a curb adapter again. Now sometimes the model numbers will not show up in our system. Sometimes you'll find that you'll type in the existing model number, it does not show up. CDI's code for a custom existing roof is a 9999. Be sure to choose one of the options on the screen versus just typing it in by clicking that top 9999 and then type in your new model number and click Save. On this line item, there is no 3D drawing associated with it because this product doesn't exist yet. But if the contractor gave you dimensions for the existing roof, you can certainly upload that to this quote by clicking Upload File on the left-hand side of the screen and then finding your file. Our website only deals with PDF format. You can always essentially print to PDF any type of file that you have. So then it will usually automatically attach the file for you guys, and it'll show up towards the bottom under Files. For me, it shows it under Internal Files. Now, as you can see, for that line item, there's no pricing. We would need more information to get some pricing for you. So as a customer, if you click Add Note, you can tell us that that existing drawing is for line item C. So custom existing drawing for line item C. And that note will show up on the order, and your drawings down there, you know exactly what you need. So again, this is a quote that you can do by yourself without a salesman. What I always recommend people to do is at this point, once you're done with all your items, click the email button and email yourself the quote, and you will be in the queue for a salesman. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video.